Mobile Merchant. So now I've got a new video for you guys, and the app I'm going to show you today is really simple, really easy. You just basically complete some very quick and easy tasks, and you can make a lot of money from this. So I'm not going to go into much more depth than that, and I'll explain more in the video. But before I show you that, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Alright, so the app I'm showing you guys today is called Pocket Flip, and you can see it right there in my home screen. So let's open that up. Now when it loads, you're going to be brought into this home screen where you can see a list. It says right there, list, and it's a list of different tasks that you can do. And these tasks are basically just you downloading applications onto your phone, and then you open them up and you just wait for like a minute. You just interact with the app that you downloaded, and eventually this app called Pocket Flip will register that you've downloaded the app and that you've used it for at least a minute, and then they'll give you points, which you can see there. Right now I have 4,297 points, and these points can be traded in, they can be redeemed, and you can get different gift cards. Like, well, I'll show you that right now. So if you go to the rewards section here, you can see you have to collect these coins after completing the tasks, and when you've completed your tasks, you can get these different rewards. So you can get like Amazon, they have different denominations, so you can get $5 for only 4,400 coins, so it's a pretty good rate, and I think you get like a small discount. You can get a $10 one for 6,800, $25, even $50 if you really wanted to. And there's even more. You can get iTunes for the US, you can get Steam gift cards if you play games on your computer. This is a great thing that you can get. You can get Xbox Live and PlayStation. So they basically have like the really major gaming systems. So if you're if you're a computer player, or if you play on console, you can get gift cards to buy more games, I guess. And of course there's also iTunes if you want to buy some more apps, and Amazon, you can use that on anything. I use it all the time. As I said before, it's really useful, especially like if you're in college like me. You can just get it straight to your dorm or wherever you live, and you don't have to like go out to the store to buy things, especially like if you don't have a car. But anyway, so those are the rewards that you can get, and you can see there's 4,400 coins for a $5 Amazon.com gift card, and right now I have 4,297. So I'm pretty close, and actually I'm going to try to get to 4,400 in this video. So now let's go back to the tasks, and it's going to load. So you can see here that in this list they have different types of apps you can download, and they're like Letgo, Hotspot Shield, Zynga, whatever, and they all give you different numbers of coins. So like this one, when you download it and you use it for a little bit, then you'll get 200 coins, whereas that one you'll get 120, 210, 60, and I think it refreshes every so often. I don't know how often, but you can get more. And also when you first download the app, there's a lot more, so I've already like redeemed a lot of them. But when you first get it yourself, you're going to get a lot more offers than I have on my screen right now. So now, before I show you guys like how to earn by downloading the apps, let me bring you to this map here. So this is supposed to like show you different tasks that you can do near where you live, I guess. But for some reason it doesn't work for me. Even though I turned on location services, I haven't been able to get any tasks for my location. So I don't know about this, but if you want to try it and if it works for you, then great, let me know. Let me know like what you're supposed to do here, but I have no idea because it says like I'm in London, even though I am not even close to Europe, but whatever. Okay, so now let's go back to the list. And so I need like 103 more points before I can get the gift card. So I think if I get this Hotspot Shield VPN, I should be able to finish it up. So you can see right there, you just click on it, and then it says, download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. And then you have to register or complete the tutorial if you're asked to, and you're not supposed to switch between networks, so that's important. You have to stay on the same Wi-Fi connection that you're on, because if you switch, then I guess it messes up with how they track you. So just make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi until you get your points. So now let me go to Start Task, and it's going to go into your Safari, and it'll ask you if you want to open this page in the App Store. So open that up, and then once that loads, it's going to bring you here to the app, and you can actually download that from this screen. So then I'll just press on download, and then now we have to wait for it to download. And once again, like I said, after it downloads, you just have to open it up, and then you just wait for like, I don't know, a minute. I guess that one said 30 seconds, but almost around a minute, and then you'll be able to get your points. So now it's downloaded, and now I'm opening it up, and now it says here to like start a 7-day trial. I guess, I don't know, I really want to. Okay, so now just stay on this page, just like move around a little bit so that it knows that you're interacting with the app. And as you keep on doing this, just wait, exit out of that, or I guess I can't exit out, I'm like stuck here. Alright, so just keep on staying here, keep on like moving around. Normally like there are going to be some games too, so you can just play the game that they give you, and then just wait until you get a notification on the top that says that you got your points. So you're right there, it says, good job, you completed Hotspot Shield VPN. So now once you get that notification, that means you're done. You don't need this app anymore, so like if you really want to, you can just delete it, but I'll do that later. So now just go back into Pocket Flip, and from here, it's gonna load again, and after it loads, it'll ask you to collect your coins, and that's how you can get more of the coins. So I guess it's not loading. I'll just exit out real quick, and just go back in. So now it's gonna load again. There you go. So now it says here, plus 120, good job, hooray, you completed Hotspot Shield VPN. So now you can collect those coins, and now you can see my balance, it went up. So now I'm at 4,417 points, and that means that I can now redeem for the gift card. So I'll go into the rewards, and I guess I can choose from any of these, I guess from these two, but I use Amazon more often than I use iTunes, so I'll just get that. And then you can see here it's a US $5 Amazon.com gift card, and you can use it towards anything you want. So now you can just purchase this card with the coins. So I'll tap on that, and it says, do you want to buy the US $5 Amazon.com gift card for 4,400 credits? And I'll say sure. So now it's loading, and there you go. So now it says reward pending, your gift card is getting prepared now. This may take a couple of hours up to a day. Please have push notifications enabled so we can notify you when it's ready. So now I should be expecting this gift card. Oh, I guess I need to connect first. Okay, well, I'll do that real quick. Alright, so now I've connected to my Facebook account, and now you can see here that in my rewards history I have a $5 Amazon gift card that I got today, September 25th, and I should get this by tomorrow. So that's really nice, and that was really quick too. It's not much effort, even though like you have to be actively using the app. It's really quick and it's really easy, and you can actually make a decent amount of money from doing this. And so now I want to show you guys like another way to make or to get more coins. And you can see here where it says invite your friends, and you can get extra coins for inviting your friends. So if you know other people, all you gotta do is give them your code. So like that's my code there, there's like a link here you can share. And if you want, just give it to other people, let them install, and let them put in your code when they redeem. And they will get 100 free coins, and you'll get 50% of all the coins they collect, up to 1,000 coins. So that's a really good deal. You can get easy 1,000 coins just by giving out your discount code to other people. So if you want to, you can also put this in the comment section below, and you you can hopefully get some other people to install the app and use your code, and you can get a lot of easy coins just from doing that. And actually, you can even use this discount code. I figured out you can use it yourself too. So if you have more than one phone and you want to use it to make more money, you can just download Pocket Flip on your other phone or your iPad or your iPod or whatever, and then you use this code. And let me show you where you use that code actually. So you go to rewards, and let's just go back to this Amazon gift card, and it says right there, apply discount code. You can see that there. So this is where you enter your code. So just so you know. And so let's see how other iPhones or iPods or other iDevices. So you just enter in that one. So you enter in this code, and then you can make more money using your other iPhone, and you can also make money on this one at the same time because you're going to get half of whatever your other iPhone gets. So you're basically making 1.5 times the amount because you're getting half here and 100% on the other one. And if you combine that, that's 150%. So it's a really good way to make some more money if you have extra phones lying around. Alright, that just about covers everything I wanted to show you guys with this app. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online.